which is wholly owned by Hebei Tangxing, serves as the factory's foreign trade window. Hebei Tangxing Alloy Technology Company Limited specializes in the production of high-strength and lightweight, forged aluminum alloy wheels. The factory is located in Jinggang Economic Development Zone, Langfang City, Hebei Province. It enjoys convenient logistics as it is adjacent to Tianjin, Xingang and Beijing Airport. The factory covers an area of 100,000 square meters. It has an annual production capacity of 500,000 forged aluminum wheels and is a key provincial science and technology project. Our factory currently has a 12,000-ton forging machine production line imported from Italy, a Taiwan heat treatment production line, 80 machining production lines, an ultrasonic automatic cleaning line, and a fully automated dust-free coating and spraying line. These facilities enable the production and processing of 15 to 24-inch aluminum alloy forged wheels. The company's flagship product is the 6061 forged aluminum alloy wheels. Leveraging a proprietary production process, the company manufactures top-notch forged wheels that effectively address the demands of both domestic and international markets. The product portfolio encompasses a diverse range of wool-forged billets for automobiles, commercial vehicles, and off-road vehicles, boasting features such as lightweight construction, excellent quality, stylish designs, and competitive pricing. These products have achieved remarkable success in Southeast Asia, as well as the domestic market.